eventually, after 2 hours of trying, we get out the house. Nothing wanted to connect today. BMW told me to get lost. I'm now a puddle of sweat. Interesting. My wife is going up Dunkirk Hill today. This is going to be amazing.
Oh no, I made a mistake.
This is going to be fun. And we're following, thank God they're turning off. Okay, we won't be behind them on the steep uphill.
Oh, I can't believe I did that.
Oh well, it will record you going up Dunkirk Hill.
I thought we had our settings down pat, but...
We do, we just missed them.
Yeah, and town's going to be busy as well, which is the other reason I was supposed to go left.
Oh well, it's fine. I can handle going through town like this. Sure. I'm so glad I took out all my inners. It might only be 23 degrees, but...
It feels like 40.
It is so warm.
And my heated grips were on, so while I was sitting, I was thinking, why are my hands getting so warm?
Nice.
Oh, there's no cars.
Lucky you. Sure, I put up both cameras just in case.
So, luckily I made it.
Yeah. Where are we off to?
We are off to Wantage area today and hopefully see Uffington White Horse.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Couple of back lanes here. Chose the fast and curvy route this time with Curviger, so every now and then it routes us off the main road, do a couple of back roads and then back onto the main road. Beeline
is not happy with me at that. Beeline's come back online. That's so cool. It now knows where we are. They're telling me to go back 2.6 miles until I cross that intersection.
Yeah, we're back on route now after not taking that original left turn. Gonna be passing Alton Barnes White Horse as well, I forgot.
Oh yeah. Pity you can't see it, but in the camera, Alton Barnes White Horse, and I'll try to point it out, is just there. What was a good 7 years ago? They re-chalked it by taking bags of chalk up with a Chinook helicopter.
I think we shared photos of it in one of our videos
Yeah,
already.
probably.
It was definitely a memorable thing to go watch. Re-chalking with the Chinook.
Yeah, we watched them re-chalk the Uffington White Horse, but that was all done by hand, so it wasn't as impressive, but the final effect was as impressive, having that nice crisp white horse back on the hillside. Alton Barnes White Horse is just there.
Oh, we can see the White Horse from here.
Yeah, there we go. We have some beautiful bridle ways and walking paths that go straight, because this is the one dike in front of us.
Yeah, it's the part of the ridgeway.
Yeah, so coming up just past these cyclists on the right is the parking, and you can park up here and then go either walk to the right or to the left, just depending on what tickles your fancy.
This is Marlborough with I think it's a famous college, Marlborough College, and they have a hill within their grounds that I'd love to go walk on. It's from the Neolithic times. I've already forgotten the name. I don't know if you can see it in the gaps between the trees. It's just there. And what's always good about these car parks in the middle and the centre ones, sometimes the handbrakes aren't on enough and then it rolls down the hill a bit to the cars on the other side. I think this is a pretty town compared to some others. It's got some lovely old buildings. Felt like I was in a sandwich over there, a van sandwich.
So, to our right here, which is quite overgrown and in the shadows, Just to the left of Lee's Head, you'll see the entrance to Savernake Forest. Very, very nice place to come for a walk. You can only cycle through on the roads through it, but yeah, other than that, it's very, very nice. I am ready when you are ready.
Cool. Don't see any cars. I'm going.
No. Apparently Leanne's doing much better than I am with this technology stuff.
What do you mean?
I've been switching on the camera, waiting for the mic to sync and then telling it to start recording.
Oh, mine auto offs and then I just press the...
Yeah, mine does exactly the same.
Oh, but then what's different?
My brain is asleep. Doesn't remember that you can just press the record to wake it up and start recording at the same time.
Oh.
Why would you record your voice, Leanne?
Well, because I'm supposed to talk, but
Okay.
I do concentrate a lot on what I'm doing and then I...
Forget to talk.
Yes.
Let's go have a look.
The White Horse is up on the left. Is it this one? That's not a good place to stop.
Not for you, no.
The Uffington White Horse is unlike other chalk figures in Britain. It's 110 metres long and also one of the largest. But what sets it apart is how old it is. It was created somewhere around 3,000 years ago in the late Bronze Age, making it the oldest chalk hill figure we know of.
Its style is striking, not the realistic horse shapes of the Wiltshire figures, but something more abstract, almost like a drawing. Some archaeologists believe it may not be a horse at all. The flat-topped hill directly below is called Dragon's Hill, and local legends say this is where St. George slew the dragon. Whether it's a horse or a dragon, no one is entirely sure.
What we do know is that it has to be maintained. Every few years, the chalk is resecured in a process called scouring, and without it, the grass would simply grow back and the figure would be lost.
At the top of the hill, behind it sits Uffington Castle, an Iron Age hill fort, and running along the ridge is the Ridgeway, one of the oldest roads in Britain, used for over 5,000 years. The small stretch of Oxfordshire hillside holds more history than most places manage in a lifetime.
So that was the White Horse. Leanne had a little bit of a conniption when I told her to park on a downward slope. But I think we got her over her fears slightly. I had just taken out my big toenail on her side stand. But anyway.
Once you've dropped a bike, it's a bit scary and you don't want to do it again.
just be a goldfish. Every 3 seconds you have a new memory and the old one's gone.
We're gonna go under the M4.
Okay.
Oh, we're going over. So
There we
cool.
go.
Woohoo! I love going over the M4.
People walking on the left. Chips.
We're coming through Avebury now, and I think yesterday or today is the summer solstice, so all these cones have been put out so nobody can park. There's a lot more people than normal.
Meandering to our favourite coffee shop, which in my very biased opinion is Black Dog Coffee Company in Devizes. I'll see you later.
Okay.
If I don't stall my bike, I tell you, I do so well. Here we go, on the right hand side.
Every episode should have coffee and cake. We like to indulge at Black Dog Coffee Company in Devizes.